This CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop is a highly efficient, portable cooking solution that boasts numerous features designed for safety, ease of use, and versatility. This review delves into the details of its design, functionality, and performance, providing a comprehensive overview for potential buyers. One of the standout features of the CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop is its thoughtful design. The glass cooktop with a touch control panel gives it a sleek, modern look that will fit seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The touch controls are highly responsive, allowing for easy adjustment of temperature, power, and timer settings with just a light touch. The cooktop also includes a 3-hour timer button, which is perfect for dishes that require precise cooking times. Safety is a top priority with the CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop. It features a child safety lock, which prevents accidental changes to the settings once they have been set. This is an excellent feature for households with young children, as it adds an extra layer of protection against accidents. Additionally, the cooktop operates without an open flame or gas, making it significantly safer than traditional gas stoves. The CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop is designed to be highly energy efficient. It features 9 power levels ranging from 200 to 1800 watts and 10 temperature settings ranging from 140 to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. These settings allow for precise control over the cooking process, ensuring that your food is cooked perfectly every time. The electromagnetic coils are distributed evenly across the cooktop, providing uniform heating. This means that the cooktop heats up quickly and cooks food faster than traditional gas or electric stoves. The high power output of 1800W ensures that even the most demanding cooking tasks can be completed quickly and efficiently. This efficiency not only saves time but also reduces energy consumption, making the CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop a more environmentally friendly option. To use the CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop, you need cookware with a magnetic bottom. Suitable materials include cast aluminum, enameled iron, and steel, stainless steel with a magnetic bottom, or cast iron. The cookware should have a diameter between 4.7 inches 12 centimeters and 10.2 inches 26 cm to work correctly with the cooktop. The induction cooktop features an auto detection system that will display an E0 error if no cookware is detected or if unsuitable cookware is used. If this happens, the cooktop will automatically turn off after 60 seconds. This feature helps prevent damage to the cooktop and ensures that it only operates when compatible cookware is in place. The CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop is incredibly versatile and can be used in various settings. It uses the North American household standard power outlet of 120 volts, making it perfect for use in kitchens, dorms, RVs, boats, and more. Its compact and portable design means you can easily move it to wherever you need extra cooking space. Using the induction cooktop is straightforward. First, place the magnetic cookware on the cooktop, then choose the desired power or temperature setting. The cooktop's versatility means it can handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from frying and boiling to steaming and slow boiling. CUSIMAX is committed to providing high-quality products, and the induction cooktop is no exception. It has obtained EDEL certification, which means it meets stringent safety and performance standards. This certification gives users peace of mind that they are using a reliable and safe appliance. If you encounter any issues with the induction cooktop, CUSIMAX offers an 18-month replacement warranty. This level of customer support demonstrates the company's confidence in the durability and reliability of its product. In conclusion, the CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop is a well-designed, efficient, and versatile cooking appliance that offers numerous features for both safety and convenience. Its high energy efficiency, precise temperature and power settings, and compatibility with magnetic cookware make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. The child safety lock and lack of open flames or gas make it a safe choice for families, while its portability and ease of use make it perfect for a variety of settings, including dorms, RVs, and boats. With its thoughtful design and commitment to quality, the CUSIMAX Induction Cooktop is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. Whether you are a seasoned chef or just looking for a reliable and efficient way to cook your daily meals, this induction cooktop is sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.